Hi, and welcome to Edible Gardening in the Bay Area. Here, I'll take you on my journey of growing fresh food and creating yard to table recipes. Let's begin and grow together. Now, let's head out to the front yard garden and pluck some figs for making our fig jam today. Let's see, the variety that I'm growing here is the brown turkey, and I had layered this from a previous home, and it's done incredibly well. It's at least 12 foot tall now and quite wide, and it has at least 1,000 figs. Now let's start to harvest some of these and take it back indoors for giving it a good wash. I harvested around 4 pounds of figs this time. I took them indoors, cleaned it up, give it a good wash, and removed all the ones that were damaged by birds and kept the best ones for the fig jam. Let's put our ingredients together, just some figs, salt, lemon juice, and a little bit of sugar if you need to. And set your heat on medium high, and let's get going with this. So we first add the lemon slices and then add the cut up figs into the pan, and add the salt as well. So make sure all of the fig pieces are unblemished. You want to make sure there's absolutely no damage of any sort, because you don't want the final product to get decayed. Make sure you mush them up. A good potato masher does the job. And allow it to simmer on medium heat for at least 15-20 minutes and check often. A heavy bottom pan like stainless steel, which is non-reactive metal, is very useful for jam making, and you can let it simmer for a while, and it could take several hours depending on the moisture content of the figs. We know it's ready when the jam separates from the bottom of the pan, and this is where the heavy bottom pan really helps, because it separates out nicely and you don't have to babysit as often as you would need to. Now this is ready and it's ready to be bottled up, and before that we are going to do a quick taste test, and my daughter is checking out the taste and giving it a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching through till the end. Do like and subscribe to watch additional content that I keep putting out for growing in the Bay Area, as well as yard to table recipes that we make periodically from our home garden. Thank you.